Welcome back, students of 6th class. I am Asif, your mathematics teacher from Modern International School, Hiswan Order. So, students, in this video lecture, we will revise chapter 2, exercise 2C, and whatever the points related to exercise 2C, we will discuss and revise. Okay friends, so in this video lecture we will learn how to solve the questions 2 of exercise 2C and exercise 2D as well. So friends, I hope you all are aware, conversant about all the points of exercise 2. So friends, and I hope you all are fit and healthy. So very good friends. Now so let's get started friends. Before solving a couple of questions of exercise 2C, so we have some points, and these points are friends, first prime factor. If you look at the friends, the words, he is the prime, and you know about the prime number friends, yes, the just previous video lecture, and the factor, and we had already discussed prime numbers and factors as well in the just previous video lecture, and I hope you all are aware. So friends, what about the prime number friends? Prime numbers means numbers having only two factors, one and the number itself. And what about the factor friends? Factor of a number is nothing but it is the exact divisor of the number. So here friends, the combination of the words like the prime and factor, if we combine all these numbers, then very simple, any numbers can be factorized as a prime factor. That is called the prime factor friends. Now a number, and now we can say a number, a factor of a given number, is called a prime factor. Example friends, look at the example. Suppose example, there is a 20. Now the factor of this number is called a prime factor. Now find the factor friends. We can find the factor as this is 2 10 ja, this 2 5 ja, and 5 1 ja. So this 20 can be written at friends 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So look at the friends. So this is the factor, this is the prime factor. Because why prime factor? Because every numbers inside this 2 and 2 and 5, these are all prime numbers. So this is called the prime factor. So the prime factor of 20 friends, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Similarly the prime factor of 30 friends, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 friends. If you multiply all these three numbers, we will get 30. Similarly after multiplying these three numbers, we will get 20. So these are the prime factor friends. So the prime factors of 20 is this, and prime factor of 30 is this. Okay, I hope you will understand. Now next question, now next word friends, the prime factorization. So prime factorization, of a given number friends. To express a given number as a product of primes factors is called the prime factorization. To express a given number, whatever the given number, as a product of primes, so that is called the prime factorization friends. See the same example, suppose 20, and now I am going to express this 20 as the product of primes. Like friends, suppose this could be written as this is 2 friends and this is 10 friends. So this 10 has two branches like 2 and 5 friends. So have a look friends, look at the, if you multiply this two number, 2 multiplied by 5 will get 10, and 10 multiplied by 2 you will get 20. So this is the prime factor, and this could be written as friends 20 can be written as 2 multiplied by 5. So these are all the prime factorization, this 2 and this 2 and this 5. Okay, similarly we can proceed the next numbers. Okay friends, I hope you will be clear. Now next one friends, there is some important point, and the points are: every composite number can be factorized into prime in only one way. And the composite number, friends, the examples of composite number, have a look. Composite number, friends, the list composite: 4, 5 prime no, 6, 7 no, 8, 9, 10, 12. These are all the composite number, friends. Now see the composite number. 4 can be written as, friends, 4, or they can be written as 2 multiplied by 2, friends. Have a look. So here the 2, here 2. These are the composite numbers. If we break the every composite numbers as a product of primes, then we will get all the numbers as a prime numbers. Like 6, if you're going to break the 6, if you factorize the 6, the 2 multiplied by 3. So every numbers as a product of situation, so these two numbers are known as the prime. So this is called the prime factorization. So 8 can be written as, friends, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So these are also prime numbers. So 9 can be written as, from 3 multiplied by 3, and 10 can be written as, friends, 2 multiplied by 5. So have a look, friends, every numbers that are in the position of the product, these are called the prime numbers. So this is why this is known as the prime factorization. So we can say that every composite number can be expressed as the product of primes, except the order. Order means 10 can be written as 2 multiplied by 5, then 5 multiplied by 2. This is the same things. So except the order, okay, and we can express as a unique way, express the order. Okay, friends. So these are the some concept, friends. Now this property is known as factorization property. Now see, friends, some concept of the power. Concept of power. So the concept of power, look at the, friends, suppose there is a 2 multiplied by 2. So here have a, friends, this is 2, and the over 2 there is 1 is hidden, and the over 2 1 is hidden. So this 2 is nothing but 2 raised to the power 1 and multiply by 2 raised to the power 1. So this can be written as 2 raised to the power 1 and multiply by 2 raised to the power 1. So if the same number is multiplied twice, then write the single number and raised to the power 2, because there are two numbers, same number. So this 2 multiplied by 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2, and this is read as 2 raised to the power 2. Similarly, we can write 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 times, suppose. Then the numbers 3 is going to multiply the 4 times. So write the same number once, and how many times, then write how many times, whatever the times, write the times, and there is own aid isko sar pe. So this is, and this is read as, friends, read as 3 raised to the power this is read as 3 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power 4, यानी 3 पे पावर 5, या 3 raised to the power, दिस इज एक्सपोनेंट, इसको एक्सपोनेंट भी कर सकते हैं, ओके. और सपोज x मल्टीप्लाई बाय x मल्टीप्लाई बाय x 3 टाइम्स. सो हाउ मेनी x, 3x. तो 3x is 3 is over here. 3 is its own aid, and x is called the base. Here the x is, friend, base. This is base, and this 3 is called the exponent or power. So there is one chapter, if you go in 7th class, then we come to know about there is one chapter exponent. So in 7th class we will study about exponent, friends. So there is a little bit the concept over here that I given to all of you. Okay, friends, now let's come to the questions of exercise 2C, friends. Okay, now friends, see, exercise 2C question says, give the prime factorization of each of the following numbers. So there are friends, there are 20 questions. Okay, and we have taken only 2 questions. All questions all are similar. Now see friends, first we have to factorize. Now 7 questions is 252, right friends? First 222, then divide, yes, factorize friends. Now apply 2 because this number will get cancelled by 2 because one's place is 2, so this is why we are going to apply 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja 4 friends, 2 6 ja, once again 2 friends, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja. Now look at the friends, and will get cancelled by 3. 3 2 ja friends, and 3 1 ja, once again 3 7 ja friends, and 7 1 ja. Now look at the friends, this number could be written as 2 5 2. So this number can be written as friends 2 5 2 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, then multiply by 3, then multiply by 7. So now friends, have a look, because 2 how many times? 2 times. Remember friends the concept of the power, write the single one, and how many, whatever the times should be in its own your in its aid. जितनी टाइम ये रिपीट किया है उसको क्या लिखेंगे, काउंट करके 1 और 1 to 2 को ऊपर लिखेंगे, जस्ट इट्स योर एंड, उसके सर पे लिखेंगे. दिस इज कॉल्ड 2 raised to the power 2. Then multiply by 3 how many times? 2 times. So write the single 3 and 2 is over the 8 and multiply by 7. So this is your answer friends. So now next question friends, as you can see on the board, question number 20. Look at the friends, question number 20. Write the solution first. Write 13915. Same question, we have to follow the same. Remember friends, the numbers having ones place 5 or 0 will get cancelled by 5. So इसको 5 से आप लगा सकते हैं. Okay. Now 5 to the friends 10. 5 to the 10. This is 39. How many times will read the table 5 friends? 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 5 7 ja friends, 5 7 ja 35, 35, 4 is here 49. So 5 9 ja 45, once again 4, 5 8 ja, and 5 3 ja friends. Once again friends, 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja, then 5 8 ja 40, and 5 3 ja friends. Okay, then look at the friends, 2783 will get cancelled by what number? First check friends, first see, add their digits friends, 2 plus 7 plus 8 plus 3. Now this is 9 friends, 17 18 90 20. This is 9 8 70 20 friends. So this is 20. Now check friends, this number will get cancelled by what number friends? So because you all are aware about divisibilities. Now check friends, I hope I think this number will get cancelled by 11. Now let us check friends. First friends, find the difference between the sum of all digits in odd places and sum of all digits in even places is 0 or multiple of 11. Okay, now see, this is 1. I starting from 1's place, 1 2 3 and 4. Here is the 1 friends, so this is odd number, add there 1. This is 2 even, 3 odd, this is once again. Now subtract, this is the sum of the digits in odd places friends. Now minus, then the sum of the digits in even places. Here is the 2 3 and 4, 2 and 4. This is 8 and plus 2. Now friends, this is 10 or minus 10 friends. Yes, this is the 0. That means this number will get cancelled by 11 friends. Now 11 friends, 11 2 ja 22 friends, here 22 friends, so 5 is here, then this is 80, it will become 58 friends, then 11 5 ja friends 55, so subtract 55 from this 3, then this 3 and this 3 will combine, this will get 33, then 11 3 ja friends 33. Now look at the friends, 253. Yes, this will get by what numbers? What number friends? This will get cancelled by what number? This is now 23 friends. Look at the friends. Yeah, this will get cancelled by 11. Once again, 11 friends. Yes, 11 to the friends. 11 to the 22. Remember friends, here we can write divide 11 to the 22, so this is 3, or 11 3 ja means 23 times friends, and 23 1 ja 23. So friends, we can write this number 13915 is equal to 5 multiply by 11 multiply by 11 multiply by 23. This could be written as frame, this is 5 multiply by 11 raised to the power 2, because 2 times of 11, and multiply by 23. This is your answer. I hope you can solve all the question. Okay friends, now come to the next exercise. Now see friends, in order to solve a couple of questions of exercise 2D, so first friends, to learn the term SCF. Okay, so see friends, here the highest common factor. So the SCF, this is the full form of the SCF. H for highest, C for common, and F for factor. So that means there is, because the matter or the themes is hidden in this word friends, because the factor, that means there should be the given number. There is some given number, suppose, then find the factor, then decide the SCF, etc etc. Okay, now see, highest common factor is known as the greatest common divisor or greatest common measure. So in short form, highest, HCF stands for highest common factor, GCD stands for greatest common divisor, GCM stands for greatest common measure. So what is the definition of this? Now simple friends, the greatest number which is a common, which is a common factor of 2 or more given numbers is called SCF or GCD or GCM. Now with the help of example friends, now we are going to figure out with the help of example. The SCF of 2 and 4 is equal to 2. Why friends? Because this 2 can be written as 2 multiplied by 1, and this 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2, means in factorization. So this 2 and this, here is the 2, here is also 2. So these are the common, this 2, this is the common factor, this is the greatest common factor to 2, and this to 4. So this is why 2 is the called the SCF. I hope friends you will understand. Now see, here can be written as friend example. See the next friends, the next point is friends, we will discuss the questions of exercise 2D friends. So in this questions only we have to find the SCF by factorization method or by division method. There are two methods to find out the SCF. First factorization method, and second one is division method. So let's get started friends. First question only say, now friends see question number 25 says, find the greatest number which divides 615 and 963, leaving the remainder 6 in each case. First means that we have to find the SCF friends, and provided that remainder in each case is 6, so then first we have to find the numbers after subtracting 6. Then first we have to subtract this 6 from this and this 6 from this, so we will get 609, and 963 minus 6 will get 957. First we have to find, and then we have to find the SCF. So now the SCF SCF of 609 and 957 will give us answer, friends. Will give us answer. So there are two ways to find out the SCF, friends. First, factorization method, and second, division method. So now we will start to find the SCF with the help of division method, friends. Have a look, friends. Now this is, friends, this is the small, this 957 is greater than 09 means, and now this is divisor, suppose, and this is dividend. Now apply, friends. Here the 609 as a divisor and 957 is as a quotient, okay, as a dividend. Now friends, see, now we will find the SCF by division method, friends. So here this 957 is greater than 690, so 690 is as divisor and this is a dividend. Now 609 one times, friends, 609, and after subtracting we will get 348. Then this process will till, friends, when the remainder is 0. Where there is remainder 0, then see the divisor. So the divisor of that remainder, where the remainder is 0, is called the SCF. So now once again with the proceed 6, this is the remainder 348, and now suppose this remainder is as divisor and this divisor is as the dividend. Now apply the same one time, friends. So after subtracting we will get 261. Then 261, 348 is once again divided by 261 because there is no remainder is no 0. There is no remainder is 0 means we have to proceed the till the remainder is, where there is remainder 0, stop the procedure. Then the SCF of that step is called the, so the divisor of that step is called the SCF. Now 261 time 261 after subtracting we will get 87, friends. So 87. Now then 87 is as become the divisor and 261 here is the divisor, but here became the dividend. Now apply 87 3 times to 261. So here the remainder is 0. So stop the procedure. Stop. Now here is the divisor. So this divisor of this step is known as the SCF. So the SCF is, friends, 87. After dividing by this SCF in this and this, we will get the remainder as 6 and 6, friends. I hope you will be clear. Now next question. Now see, friend, the question number 34 says find the SCF of two prime numbers and therefore 2 and an even number. So this 34 has 4 sub questions. We have taken question number 1 and 4. See, friends, we have to find the SCF of two prime numbers. So the example of the SCF of two prime numbers, friends, is 1. Remember, friends, because, friends, the common factor of any two prime numbers, the greatest common factor of any two prime numbers is 1. So the SCF is 1. Now see, friends, 2 and an even number. Find the SCF of 2, and suppose 2 is constant and any even number, like suppose 4. So the SCF of this number 2 can be written as 2 multiplied by 1, friends. 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2. So this is the 2. So the SCF in this case, SCF, friends, 2. Now take the another example. Suppose 2 is as it is. Now an even number, another even number, like suppose 8. So this 2 can be written as 2 multiplied by 1, friends. So this 8 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So look at the, friends, the highest common factor. This is 2 and 2. Hence the SCF of in this case is 2. We can take the another example. Hence we can say the SCF of 2 and an even number is nothing. It is only 2. So the answer is SCF is 2, friends. So your homework, friends, today's homework, exercise 2C and 2D, to please complete and revise and solve all the questions. Exercise 2C and 2D. Okay, have a nice day.